Hey girlies. Chris is right in front of me while I'm vlogging this. Chris, do you want to say hi? Oh,
hello.
he is so
How you doing?
He's just been dancing all day today. But hello. Hi, we're going out. If you didn't know, we moved. Yes, we are roach free. Yes, finally. Literally. Look, so nice, so nice. We'll do a tour later, but right now we're about to GO. I need to grab my chargers and we're out of here. Friends, we're finally leaving. He's fixing his music so we can GO. We are about to go see his mommy, I think, and we're gonna go to the MALL so he can try on these Crocs, because even though my birthday is literally coming up like next week, it is next week. My birthday is next Wednesday. Anyways, I don't even remember what I was saying, but my hair is cute, my outfit is cute. It's giving, what is it giving? Fall. I have on a long skirt. Everything I have on is from H&M. Literally. H&M, my skirt H&M, my little, what is it, scrunchie is H&M. I'm from H&M, like, but yeah, we are now about to leave. Do you have, oh my goodness, look, they're so cute. What are they called?
I don't know,
but we're leaving. Okay, hello. Somehow we ended up going to some food truck area. I don't know, but I see that they have roasted corn. That's what it said. It said Miami roasted corn. So we're about to see what it is, because that sounds delish, doesn't it, boo?
I can't wait to eat.
Doesn't it, boo? Mind you, it is just a random Monday, like nothing special. But this is nice though. Hopefully the corn is good. With pickles? Would you want pickles in it?
Yes. One for both of us?
No, I need my own. Can I get the first one? How do you say that?
Los de vaso?
Yeah.
Los de vaso?
Yeah.
Queso fresco? With a white cheese?
Yes, please. 2 of those. You want?
2?
Yes, 2. I'm doing Apple Pay.
Yes.
Thank you, love.
My problem, that's just not my problem. My problem, that's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit.
We went to get our truffle fries. They're coming.
My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. That's why I cannot confide in you.
We're leaving now. Okay. Somehow we made it into Spirit Halloween. We need to figure out where we're gonna be for Halloween, because I don't even know. We're over here by the mask now. Look.
I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love me doing no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy in the love. Got me looking so crazy in the love. Try to blame me, I'll say it all. I think you do good. So busy, you ended up what you should.
Okay, mango dragon fruit, Kenta size, with lemonade instead of water.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. And I have my point.
I need you to try to lie.
What's all on this?
So it's fried roasted chicken on a cheese pizza with veggies.
With veggies. That looks very questionable to me. That's hella good.
Wait, no, we forgot.
I didn't hear that. Okay, I have it.
It's good, right?
Pepper, onions. Good. Some type of, I don't know, but it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, vroom vroom. I'm in my mom's car. I don't even know if it's, I don't know how big it is, like the actual measurements, but all I know is this is large. Look at this. Crazy big. Bitch, I'm finna be the captain. The captain. What you mean? What you mean, captain? We in here, captain. Yeah, y'all gotta listen to me. I'm with it. Hell, we are still here. I don't even know where we at. Where are we? Bass Pro. Yeah, we're at Bass Pro, and we are looking at all the boats. This one is for $72,000. Who just has $72,000 just sitting around in their pockets like that? If you do, call me. But yeah, look at the cribbo. Isn't it nice when it's dark out? Look at it. Look at the vibe. We got McDonald's and we're about to eat Mickey D's. Look at Callie. Callie's going crazy. Oh my goodness. Go sit down.
Now, where do we watch that?
Wait, I gotta hook it up with my phone. I mean, not season, episode 4, the finale. And we're about to eat fries. This is your fries.
Mine are the ones that are.
Nah, my fries. No, you're not. This was $22, y'all. McDonald's is starting to get high. $22 for a large two cheeseburger meal and that freaking double McChicken. Crazy. But I'm not trying to kick it or none of that shit. I'm not putting it. I'm not camera about to die.